almost all vehicles have an in-cabin air filter that filters the air coming through your air conditioner into the cabin. But most people neglect it. They don't even know it's there. So it gets plugged up and then the air can't flow through the vents. Your fan is struggling to push air through that dirty filter. We're going to show you that right now, how to cheaply, quickly, easily increase the airflow coming through your car's air conditioning vents. About changing the in-cabin filter on Audi A4 V8. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take these little screws out. They just come out by hand. There's one. There. Another one back here. Just 3 of them. Okay. And there's one right there. So of course on the passenger side, behind the glove box. And this is just a little piece of foam. Let's see. Just comes right down. Take that out of the way. Now this is the screen that covers the in-cabin filter, and there's a little tab right here. You just push that to the right, comes right off, and then you can see the filter. We're going to pull that down. Get under here so I can see it. Pretty filthy. Turn the camera around. Alright. See how dirty that is? That's just filthy. I would be willing to bet this hasn't been changed in a long time, if ever. We're going to grab the new one. We'll do a side-by-side comparison. You can see right now. Look how filthy that is. Not a lot of air going to be getting through there. Okay, so here's our brand new one. We'll compare that to the old one. Look at that. So, you tell me. Let's put it on the same side. Charcoal filters. How much air do you think was getting through that? How long do you think it's been since that was changed out? Alright, let's put it in. Always a tight spot under here to get to, but there we go. Put it back in, the new one's in. Tuck it in there. And now we gotta get this piece, the plastic piece that slides in there to lock it in. So you can keep the camera on it while we get it in there. Just move this around. You can see. All right. Almost in. There we go. That looks like that will do it. Could go in just a little bit more, so let's stop it. That is it. I guess that's it. All right, so now we're just gonna put the foam piece back on, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. All right, so now for the test, we changed out the cabin filter. Let's see if that airflow is any better coming through the vents. Way better. Oh my goodness, that is crazy how much more powerful the air coming through the vents is, and it smells good. Yeah, that's well worth it. That poor air conditioning fan was struggling to push air through that dirty filter. That's just amazing.